Hello and welcome to Oracle Fusion Cloud Release 13 training for procurement. Welcome. This is a tutorial for document approval setup. We will start with a simple requirement to set up an approval based on the PO amount and PO line destination type, where if the line destination type is equal to dropship for any amount, we will auto approve the purchase order, and if the line destination type is not equal to dropship, we will auto approve the PO if the amount is less than 1 million, and if the amount is more than 1 million, we will send it to buyer's manager for approval. Let me put that information on the Excel. To achieve this requirement, we will have to put few conditions. So based on these conditions, we will have to prepare an approval rules. Since document rule is also applicable for agreements, we are going to use document type attribute for purchase orders, and as well as we'll create a new rule for agreements. Let's start in the system. We already have few approval rules defined since I'm using a demo instance. I will start with a new rule. So based on this rule, if the procurement BU is US1 business unit, and if the document type equals to purchase order, for amount less than 1 million, it is going to get auto approved. Now I will start with dropship and amount is more than 1 million. Fantastic. So based on this condition, if the procurement BU is equal to US1 business unit and the amount is greater than or equal to 1 million, where the destination type equal to dropship, we are going to auto approve this purchase order. Now next rule we are going to write for destination type equal to not dropship, and this time we are going to get approved by buyer's manager. I can copy the rule. Fantastic. Now, based on this rule, if the amount is greater than or equal to 1 million, if the procurement business unit is US1 business unit, and if the destination type for the line is not equal to dropship, that PO will require an approval from buyer's manager, and it will be on only one level hierarchy. That means only buyer's manager will approve this PO. Now we have to also define an approval rule for the agreements. And I would like to keep the same rule for agreement. So I will simply copy this rule. According to this rule, document type is not equal to purchase order. That means if the document type is equal to CPA or BPA or any amount, if the procurement BU is equal to US Business Unit 1, then we are going to get this agreement approved by buyer's manager. Click Save Close and deploy. So this is how we write approval rules.